record on this computer. Boom. Let's get it, fam. I'm not gonna hold too much of your time, man. We're gonna jump right into it, guys. It's your boy Nate Lindsay, aka Plug for Pips, aka Humble Nate, right? I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this, guys. I'm not gonna play with it right now. If you guys don't know who Kim Torres is, she is the one who created Gold Cup, right? She is the one who sends the most profitable trades on Gold Cup. Shit, that's S&P, that's US 30, right? One of the most volatile pairs in the market. She's the one who's been able to profitably trade that pair on a regular basis. It's kind of crazy too, because I remember when she first started talking about she was going to be doing US 30. This was this time last year. She was like, I'm coming out with this platform, guys, and we're about to smash US 30 all year long. And she just did nothing but that every single month, bro. Like literally, like she sends out nothing but profitable trades, guys. And I want to teach you about how to take them, because the thing about it is you don't have to necessarily have, you don't even have to have Gold Cup to be able to take these trades, guys. You don't even have to have Gold Cup. You really don't. Hold on, let me do something real quick. You don't even have to have Gold Cup to be able to take her trades, because she goes live every single Sunday to be able to give you the setups, and all you need to do is set alerts and look to see when to enter the market. It's really that simple. It's really, really, really easy. Like it's cake, bro. It's literally cake. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up a few of her markups that she sends, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to enter and when to enter. So that way you know when to get in, you know when to get out, you know how to set your stop loss, you know where to set your TPs, you know how to set alerts on TradingView. And I just want to really make this just as simple and as easy as possible for you guys, because I really promote her sessions a lot. I leverage her trades a lot. Me and my team, if you notice in my chat, I share all of her markups, right? I share all of her markups because I want everybody to be able to take advantage of them, right? So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up some of her trades. Let's see. Let's go and pull up some. My boy Vic. Which one hit? Gold was in profit but turned around. I was on Bitcoin. Sheesh. All three TPs smacked on the buy. USD ZAR. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this thing up. So I want you guys to be able to see when you take these trades, right? When do you take these trades, right? First of all, you got to be able to read this information right here. USD ZAR, buy or sell. Now, if you guys, a lot of you guys, you'll see the trades that are being sent in the chat. You don't never see a buy and a seller at the same exact time. This is one thing that makes Kim so unique. She's literally sending you the buy and the sell, right? She's not married to one bias. A lot of the traders in our organization are married to one bias. They're looking at their setup. They say it's going to buy. This is what it's going to do. Kim is actually going to give you both setups, whether it buys or it sells. Either way, you're going to make money. It doesn't matter which way it goes, right? But what it says is entry. If price break and close below alert, this is a sell for a sell on USD ZAR. If price break and close below alert price or alert price, enter on the break or the retest. Right? So a couple different options. You can enter on the break or you can enter on the retest. Me personally, a lot of times I enter on the retest, right? A lot of times I enter on the retest. So let's go ahead and let's pull up USD ZAR. So let me go find USD ZAR real quick. Right? USD ZAR. Now this was obviously last week. So whenever she sends the trades out, damn, that would have been that's a nice trend line break. Sheesh, I wish I would have saw that. But whenever she sends the trades out, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and set your alerts, right? Set your alerts. Alert 16.19919. How do you set an alert? Well, the first thing that I do, I come over here to this line right here. You see that? You see this plus sign right here? You see how the numbers are moving, right? So you come back 16.19919. So then I'm gonna look for 16.19919. So I'm gonna look for that number. And you can change it to that too. So boom, you can say you're gonna set an alert here, that alert, right? You can double click on it and edit it. 16.19919. That's my alert. You can change it to where it notifies you on the app. You can change it to where it shows a pop-up. You can even change it to where it sends an email. I got too many emails coming, so I probably wouldn't be able to catch that, right? You can also change it to where it's going to do crossing up, crossing down, right? Moving up, all the different ways that you can set it. I would set it at crossing, so that way it sends it to you. You could do it every time, only once, or you can do it every time, either or. I would suggest doing it only once, because I mean, you don't want your phone to just keep going off every time it touches it. But I would suggest doing only once. You can do it. You can do it every time if you want, but then your phone is going to keep going off every time it touches that level. Notify on app. I have it on the app on my phone, so you guys can either set the app on your phone, right? You can also click it to where it shows a pop-up on the computer. You can do it to where it sends you an email. You can do it to where it even gives you a webbook URL, which I don't even know what that is. You can have it play a sound, send email to SMS. Oh, I never even looked at that. I wonder if that's new. Wonder if that's going to send you a text message, send email to SMS. Huh. I'm gonna have to try that out. I'm gonna try that out for you guys. But I have the app on my phone. So what you want to do is you want to download the app on your phone, okay? Download the app on your phone, make sure you're logged in, all that good stuff, right? So the value, the price that we're looking at is 16.19919, right? That's our alert for a sell. 16.19919. Okay, bet. I got that. Save. Boom. Now, hold on. First of all, let's actually let's see. So what was Sunday? Sunday was it was 31st, right? Sunday. Saturday was 31st. Sunday was the first, okay? Sunday was the first. So go ahead and go back to the first. All right. And the time that she came on would have been around, so 17, so that's 5 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. She comes on at 7, so it'll be 19. If I'm not mistaken. Phoenix, okay, cool. It's on the right time. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, because that would be, this would be midnight, 11. All right, yep. Cool. So you got your alert set right here, right? This is the sell alert. It comes down to break this level, and then you're gonna go back and you're gonna look for the buy alert. The buy alert is gonna be 16.26514, 16.26564, or 16.26514. Do the same thing. 162. Add alert. Oh, I can't add alert in replay mode. Oh, that's trash. Okay, hold on. So go ahead and just skip this really quick. Boom. All right. Hold on, fam. Bear with me. There we go. All right, so we're gonna add alert. Okay, so what is it? 16265. Okay, we're gonna edit that thing, and it was buy alert 16.26514, 26564, or 14, 26514. Okay, this was the buy level, right? This is what we wanted to buy. So now we got our buy and our sell, right? We got our buy and our sell. What you can also do, which makes it easier for you, is you set your TPs on there. TP 1, 2, and 3, right? And how you set those TPs, you're going to use a horizontal line. You come over here to the left, put your tools right here on the left, click the arrow, grab a horizontal line, the horizontal lines on here, right? And I like to set them green, like that. That means money to me. Green means money, right? And then you're going to find TP1, which was actually, no, that's a buy. Okay. So TP1 on the buy was 28369. Okay. Coordinates 28369. Boom. 28369. Yep. Okay, cool. That thing is close. Let's go. What time frame was she on? She's on a 30-minute. Okay. So let's go to 3 minute. All right, bet. Cool. All right, same thing with the other TPs, right? TP2, 296. We got 29679, 29679, 29679, 29679. Right? Same thing. 30978. Okay. 30978. 30978. Those are her TPs. Okay. All right. Now let's say, for instance, okay, so what day is it? The first. Oh yeah, they must have smacked all the TPs on the buy. Sure did. And turn around and smack all the TPs on the sell. Sheesh. All right, so let's go put our cells in there really quick. Let's go put the cells. So we got 18336, 18336, 18336, 18336. Okay. 18336. 8336. Okay. Next TP was 29679. 29679. 29679. Oops, that ain't right. Oh, hold on, I'm tripping. So, hold on, I'm backwards, guys. Hold on. So on the sell was, that's the buy. I'm tripping. 16287. 16287. Okay, 16287. Forgive me, I got bad memory. 16287. Okay. She just smacked all them things too. 14542. 14542. 14542. Sheesh. Okay, guys. All right, boom. I got our alert set, right? And this takes a lot of work, but listen, if you're gonna make some money, you know what I mean? It's worth it. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. What you do is you mark these levels up while you're on the session with her. While she's giving you the setups, you go and you mark it up on your own. All right. So now, I don't like this is on military time. James, help me out. Let me know if what's 7 o'clock would be 1900, right? If I'm not mistaken. Somebody put it in the chat if they know military time. 1900 would be 7 p.m., right? Okay, cool. Making sure I'm got it right. Okay, cool. That's when she starts. So that's when she starts to mark it up. So 1900 at 7 p.m. Okay. Oh, I didn't go back far enough. Let's see. So okay, 1900. That's when the session started. All right, cool. This when the session started. 1900. Oh, it was 8:00. 3 minutes. Not a big deal. Okay, cool. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. I got you. I'm about to show you the sauce, guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for it to let's read her her rules. Okay. It says if price. We're gonna look at the sell. If price. Well, yeah. We're gonna look at the sell. If price break and close below alert, right? If price breaks this, closes below, you're going to enter the break or the retest. Okay. What that means is you can either enter when it breaks it, closes on it, or you can wait for it to come back, right? Now, what time frame are we looking for it on? We're gonna look for it on the 15-minute. Well, let me change time frames. Lit, even better. Okay, bet. Even better. So I like to wait for it to close on the 15-minute below that level, guys. I like to wait for it to close on the 15-minute below that level or above the level that we want to go to. Let's go ahead and slow it down and watch it play out. Okay. If it closes below this level, we're going to wait for the count to close below, right? And I'm going to show you what that means. and then you can either wait for it to come back to retest it, or you can just wait for it to close and then enter at that point. If you wait for the retest, you're going to get a much better entry, right? You're going to get a much better entry and catch more pips. So let's see. Let's go ahead and watch it play out, right? These are 15-minute candles, right? Hold on. Let's slow it down. It's going a little bit too fast. All right, so it comes down to this level, right? We're waiting. Let's see how I'm gonna tell you guys when to enter. Right now, your alerts aren't even, it might have activated this alert, but we're not entering on that because we want to close above. All right, let's wait. All right, your alert just got activated, but don't enter yet. The buy would have got activated the alert, but you don't enter because the candle's not closing above. So you got to keep on waiting. Just be patient. Keep waiting and be patient. Let's see what she does. Remember, these are 15-minute candles. Right? So she's still playing in between this level. Oh, hold up. Whoa. Wait a second. That's exactly what we want to see, guys. That's exactly what we want to see. How do I do it? Let me go backwards, jump to. All right. Boom. That's exactly what we want to see, guys. That's exactly what we want to see. So we're going to play it, right? Come on. All right, so at that point, it hit your alert again. You would have got the alert on your phone. It would have been alert. Now you ready to enter, which dang, it didn't even hit the TP right away. Sheesh. So technically, what you can do is you can wait for it to come back. You can wait for it to come back to here, and then you can enter. Or you can enter now like it is, and then try to take it up to all these TPs. That would just be a struggle though, because look how close it is already to the TP. So let's see what she does next. But this is a close above that I was talking about. You want it to close above this price, this alert level. This is the close of the candle. This is a wick, right? The little skinny line, that's just a wick. You want this candle to close above this line. So right now, what time is it? Yep, it closed on a 30. So it's at, what was that? 11. I think that's 11:30. 11:30, it closed above, right? Let's see what she does next. Boom. All right, that's your entry. You see how it came back, guys? You see how it came back here? That's your entry. Now let's see what she does. Smacked all TPs. Sheesh. You see that? Do you see that? That 1 15-minute candle just smacked all TPs, guys. Wow. Y'all put some like, I need you guys to interact with me, guys. Like, ask me questions. Let me know like if that makes any sense. Does that make sense? On how you smacked all those TPs? Right? Let's go back to the, like, if you guys have any questions, ask me questions, fam. Like, that's what I'm here for. Let's go back to her stuff. It says, okay, bet. Okay, bet. Good. So listen. So let's go back to her rules on the buy. If price breaks and close above alert price, enter on the break or the retest. Right? Kim don't play no games. Exactly, bro. Come on, man. So listen, guys. You could have entered on the break, which was here, right? You could have entered on the break, or you could have waited for the next candle to come back and retest. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the 5-minute. Perfect. This is perfect break and retest, fam. Look at that. Perfect. Make your chart a little bigger so you can see. So you guys can, I'm hoping you guys can see this. Could have entered here, right? Could have entered here. Or you could have been patient. You just wait 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. This would have closed. 5 minutes would have passed. 5 more minutes would have passed, and you would have got in here. And then boom, you would have caught all these pips all the way up to the top. You're waiting on the massive breakthrough candle, not small breakthroughs, right? So you're waiting on the massive breakthrough candle. Yes. Well, what I'm waiting for, Tissa, is I'm waiting for it to close. I'm waiting for the candle to close, right? And yes, I wanted to break through. I also wanted to close because this thing broke through. but it wicked. You see how it wicked? Top of this candle, this little spot right here is the close of a candle. So I want this part to be above this level right here. And yes, this is a massive break. Like this is a clean break. Like hell yeah, like it went straight through that thing. I want this part of the candle be above this level, right? That's the close of the candle. This is the open of the candle. These wicks means price pushed all the way up here and pushed back down a little bit. And at the end of the 15 minutes, this is where it closed at, or the end of the 5, considering we're on the 5-minute right now. Does that make sense, Tissa? Okay, bet. Got you. Okay, cool. So you could have entered here, or you could have entered when it came back here. Either or. Obviously, you catch more pips right here. But just remember, excuse me, I just ate breakfast. Just remember, it's not always going to come back and retest. Sometimes this thing is going to break here, do like one of these, and then just take off and do that. So that's why she says break or retest. It just depends on if you want to be risky or not. Now, next thing, before we finish that, right? We gotta finish all the rules. Set stop loss below the sell alert price or below the most recent area of structure. If it breaks TP, move your stop loss into profit or close in profits. Okay. What does that mean? That means you're going to set your stop loss. Now, this is the thing, guys. You got to be careful because her stop losses are going to be huge compared to how much you're going to be trying to make. Her risk to reward, it's not really high. Reason being is because she's a very, very high profitable trader. She's very, very profitable. So a lot of her trades always hit TP. But you're going to set your stop loss all the way down here, guys. All the way down there. Look at that. You're risking about 66 pips to only catch 43. That's like a negative risk to reward ratio right there, guys. But what you got to keep in mind is that she's so profitable, that's what she could do, right? Now she said the most recent structure. So the most recent structure could always be down here. You can always set your stop loss at the low right here. Obviously, this will be a low too, but if you want to be less risky, you can set your low at your stop loss here, guys. Right? All right, let's finish out the rule. Let's finish what she said. Set stop loss below the sell price, right? We got that. Or below most recent area of structure. We got that. If it breaks TP, move your stop loss into profit or close in profits. Do you guys know how to move your stop loss into profit? Everybody know how to move their stop loss into profit? Bet. No? Okay, so what you do is you're gonna go on your phone. Let me see if I can show you. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick. Let me see if I could join it really quick. Got you. Blah, blah, blah. Hold up. All right, so this is how you move your stop loss into profit, guys. Let me share my screen. All right, this is how you move your stop loss into profit, guys. Right? Once you're in profit, okay? Once you're in profit, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this side number right here. See where it says 3362? That's your entry. That's where you entered the market at, right? 3362. What you want to do is you want to find an area above that, like a little bit above that. Normally, I'll try to set it. You see this gap right here? This is the gap between what is the spread and actual price. So this is like kind of like what the broker's gonna be charging you. Sometimes I'll try to set it the same exact size. So this little thing right here at the top, guys. See this little like I don't know if you guys can see it or not. but there's like a cross. The little cross will give you so you can have this little like cursor so you can find stuff. Does that make sense? Can you guys all see that? I know it's pretty small, okay? Right? I know it's pretty small, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the number. If you look to the right, all right, bet. If you look to the right, you see how it gives me the number? You see the black number right here? 336386. So then you're gonna go to your phone, you're gonna act like you're gonna close it, you're gonna hit the pencil. So for people that got Android, I'm not quite sure what it's gonna look like, but you're gonna edit this trade, right? You wanna edit the trade. Don't close it, this is gonna be closed, but you wanna edit the trade. And what you wanna do is you wanna remember that number. What was that number? 336430. Come back here, you're gonna change your stop loss to 3364 dot or 0.30. Boom. Now, if price does decide to come back down to my entry, it's gonna take me out without me losing any money. Does that make sense to everybody? Drop some ones in the chat if that makes sense. Tell me if that makes sense. Tell me if you need me to go through that again. Okay, bet. That's how you move your stop loss into profit. Okay. Now I want to show you guys how to take partials, right? You can either take profit where it's at, or you can take partials. You take partials by going in, going to close the trade. Look, you see how it says close with profit of $68? Watch when I make my my lot size smaller. Say I wanted to close 0.2 of it. You see how it says close with $27? What'll happen is I'm gonna close my trade. It's gonna say $27, and the rest of the trade, the 0.3, is still gonna be running. Does that make sense? Does that make sense to everybody? Let me know if that makes sense to everybody. Drop some ones in the chat if that makes sense. That's how you take partials. I know some people driving, so just, I guess, like nod your head or something. Yeah, okay, bet. All right, bet. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure you guys know how to do that. Okay. All right, so let's go back to the screen. Let's go back. Let's get back. All right. So, fam, now let's go back to the rules. Okay. Buy. Says if it breaks TP, move your stop loss into profit or close in profits. Meaning you can just close the whole trade if you want to. How do you set multiple TPs? Okay, good. Great question. So in order to set multiple TPs, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have multiple positions. That means you're going to have to enter if you got 3 TPs, you're going to have to set 3 different trades. That means when it comes back down to here, you're going to enter the trade 3 times. Boom, boom, boom. 3 times. And on each trade, you're going to set the first trade for TP1. You're going to set the second trade for TP2. You're going to set the third trade for TP3. So you're going to have three of these trades coming down. Does that make sense? That's how you set for multiple TPs. That's one way. That's called twin trading. That's in the academy, right? That's twin trading. There's another way you can do this, guys. And this is if you're gonna like sit here and stare at it, sit here and watch it. What you can do, guys, is you can place now one thing before I move on. With twin trading, what you want to do, guys, is you want to enter on a lot size that's going to equal to that amount. So say for instance, you only wanted to do a 0.05 on this trade. You're not going to enter the trade 3 times at 0.05, because what that means is you're risking 0.15, if that makes sense. What you want to do is you want to enter each trade at 0.02. So total would be 0.06, right? To make sure that you're not over leveraging and entering 3 different positions, right? Now, another thing you can do is you can take profit every time it gets here, those partials. Say for instance, you got in one time right here at 0.06. Once it gets to this point, go in and close. Like you gotta catch it before it does it. Go in and close it yourself. Close it like I just showed you. Close 0.02 of it. Now you're at 0.04. When it gets up to this point, the same thing. Close 0.02 of it, right? Boom. Now you're in at 0.02. Same thing when this you can just let it go and hit TP and just close the rest of it, right? Excuse me. But that's how you would take partials and catch all the TPs going up, guys. That's how you would do that. Am I making sense so far? Let me know if you need me to break that down again, guys, because I really want to make sure that everybody understands this. Let me know if I'm like going too fast or I'm being confusing. I got you, sis. That's what I'm here for. One more time. I got you, Robert. Okay, bet. From the beginning, or what do you need, Robert? Like, where did you just get in the call, or where you at? Because I'm recording it too. You got to talk to me, Rob. Let me know. Let me know. This is interactive. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and let me find you. TP. Okay. How you take TPs? Okay, cool. So what you can do is you can wait for it to get to here, close a partial, right? I'm gonna show you how to close a partial. Let me go back. Let me jump back in the here real quick. Share content. Start broadcast. Yes, I want to take over. All right. So what you're gonna do is see my buy is on 0.0. Can you guys see my cursor? Let me know if you can see my cursor. I don't know if you probably can't see my cursor. Probably not. See my cursor? Probably not. Well, so no, okay, all right, that's fine. Okay, cool. So what you're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna come in. You're actually going to you're in on a 0.05. You're gonna act like you're gonna close it. You're gonna hit the close button, which would be here. You see how it says close a profit of $61. Now, say for instance, it was at TP1. It's at TP1, right? I'm gonna change my lot size to something smaller. I want to change my lot size to say 0.02. Now it says close at $25, right? I'm gonna keep doing that every time it gets to a new TP. Every single time it gets to a new TP. So if I close this right now, what's 0.02 minus 5? 0.05. That's gonna be 0.03. So if I close this trade right now, when I come back here, it's gonna say buy 0.03, and the rest of the money that I just got right now is gonna be in my balance, right? It's gonna be in my balance, and you're gonna do the same exact thing as it goes up, right? The same exact thing as it goes up, or you can have multiple trades, or you can just get in 3 different times. For each one, you can get in 3 different times for each TP and set different TPs on each one. Right? Does that make sense? Let me see. Had no clue I could change lot sizes when you close out. I got you, yo. So yeah, and I mean, obviously you can't do it on a 0.01 because there's nothing to close. But if you're on something bigger than a 0.01, you can close partials, right? Close partials. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. When I over leverage, stop loss for multiple TPs, yeah. So you would set the same stop loss for all the trades. You would set the same stop loss for all the trades. Each trade that you enter, you put the same stop loss. That's why I said you got to get in on a lot size that's going to equal up to what you want it to be. So say for instance, you wanted to do $1 lot size, right? 0.10 per pip, right? That's $1 per pip. So you're going to do 3 trades. You're going to want to do like 0.03 for each one of your trades. So it'll equal 0.09, but that's the way to know that you're leveraging $1 per pip. And yes, you're going to set the same stop loss for each one of those trades. You want them all to have the same exact stop loss, but they're all going to have different TPs. So that way you can catch each TP on its way up, right? Multiple positions. But yes, closing partials, if you're over leveraging, you definitely want to be taking partials. You definitely want to be taking partials because as soon as you get into mad profit, go in there and close half that thing out. As soon as you get into profit, go in there and close half of it out and let the rest run. Move your stop loss to break even, and then let it do its thing. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I'm not telling you guys to get out here and over leverage, but if you're that gambler, protect yourself, guys. You over leveraging and you get into deep profit and you're seeing like 200-300 on your phone, close half of that thing out. Take 150 and run, and then move your stop loss into profit right at your entry, so that way you have 150 in the bag. And if it turns around and it comes back, you're not going to lose any money. Because if it turns around and comes back, it's going to hit your stop loss at the entry. Tell me if that makes sense to you guys. Let me know if that makes sense. Right? That, guys, I'm telling you, that's the sauce. That's the sauce. Like when you're that type of person that's like you've been trading for a while and you really want to, you want to make a little bit more on your account, right? You want to place bigger lot sizes. If you're over leveraging, as soon as you get into profit, go out and close half of it or close a portion of it, move your stop loss to break even. That's what we always say. Whenever I say move SL to BE, right? Move SL to BE is break even, right? What that means is move your stop loss so that way you could break even at where you enter. So that way you don't lose no money. Plus you just bagged 150. Feel what I'm saying? $20, $30, however much you just bagged, you secured your bag. And if it does decide to continue to go up or go down, whatever direction it's going, you still have a trade in there. You still have a lot size on there that you can still make some money. It may not have been as much as it would have been, but you already bagged some. The key to this, guys, is being smart, right? Because we can't control how much money that we make in this market. You can't control that. But what you can control is how much money that you lose, right? You can control how much money that you lose. So you want to be really strategic on how much money you're willing to risk and how much you're going to lose. So focus on that. Focus on how much you're going to lose, guys. All right. So let's go ahead and I'll continue to let this thing run, and let's see what she does when she goes for let's see what she does when she goes, because I'm pretty sure she hit all the sell limit too. I mean, I'm pretty sure she hit the sell too. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now I want to show you guys how to take a sell, right? How to take a sell. Boom, boom. Look, smacked all the TPs. Boom. All right, you're already out this trade. Don't even worry about it hitting your stuff anymore. You're out this trade. Let's see if she did the same thing on the sell. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute. Okay. This is if you wanted to trade it both ways. All right, starting to drop a little bit. Nope. Remember, you're already out this trade, so this means absolutely nothing to you. Hit all your TPs already. This means absolutely, you would have already deleted this alert, or else your phone is going to go in bonkers. Okay. I really appreciate everybody getting on too, guys, because I'm telling you, Kim is the truth. I want to really help my team and everybody else who's not even on my team learn how to take our setups, guys. Remember, you don't have to have Gold Cup to get on her sessions. She has her sessions every single Sunday night on regular Forex. Now you need Gold Cup to take her trades throughout the week she's sending, but she's gonna give you 10 setups every Sunday on your regular Forex. Regular Forex. As long as you got regular Forex, you can get on her live sessions and copy and paste her trades just like me and my team do. Look at this. That's what we do. We copy and paste it and put it in the chat for our team. Let's see what it's doing. It's playing around right here. Right? Let's just wait. Let's be patient. Remember, you don't have to sit here and watch it. You got an alert set. So you just wait to see your phone alert you. Let's see if she does the same thing. Excuse me. Oh, okay, bet that's lit. I can speed it up a little bit. Let's speed it up. Let's speed it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. We're getting close now. Right? Now remember, guys, I'm waiting for the candle to close on the 15-minute. You see that right there? You see what just happened? It wicked it. This is not a close. The candle closed above it. We are not entering the trade yet. We are not entering the trade yet. We need this part of the candle. See the bottom? Let me make it bigger so you can see. We need this bottom part of the candle to be under this lit. This is our entry. We need an alert. We need this part of the candle to be below this. This is a wick. This means it pushed down and came back. right? This is a key level. That's why Kim says this is a key level, and if it closes below, she's gonna hit all our TPs. So let's continue to watch. Let's see what the next candle does. Oof, nope, didn't close below. Didn't close below. Let's wait, let's wait. You probably got another alert. You're just sitting here like alert phone is blowing up right now. It's money. It's not just someone texting you, oh, I miss you. Where you been? Wish we could still hang out, right? Someone commenting on Facebook, someone liking your pictures. All that stuff is great, but man, I like money texting on my phone. I'm gonna keep it real with you, right? Who you voting for? Like, man, nobody give a shit about that. All right, let's see. Let's see what she does. Nope, didn't close below. You got another alert, but it didn't close below, fam. We're gonna wait for it to close below. Continue to wait, continue to wait. Be patient, be patient. Patience pays in this business. Patience, patience. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold up, hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some. All right. So technically, that candle closed below. I'm not really liking it because it barely closed. Like it literally barely closed below. I want a little bit more of a break, right? We got that. Let's go to the next candle. Wait, hold on. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. No, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Okay. A 15-minute candle closed below. Okay. That's not really like it broke, but it didn't really break, guys. So just I would like it to do something like that. Come all the way down like that and close like that. This is a close below, but it's kind of risky, man. Like it's barely breaking it. Barely breaking it. This one's risky, so you gotta be careful with this one. Let's see what it does afterwards. If it comes back for the retest. Okay. Oh, that was a retest. Let's see what it does now. Oh, oh. This is definitely a close below, guys. I would definitely be entering at this point. I'm gonna keep it real. I would definitely be entering at this point. I will set my stop loss above here. My stop loss will go above this candle right here. Right? Let's see what she does. Now I'm in negative. Let's see what happens. Oof. I'll be stressing. I'm not even gonna lie. This is if you want to trade it both ways though. This is being risky. You already won on the buy. This is if you're waiting to try to catch the sell. Stop loss would have got hit. Now that's if you would have set your stop loss here. You can still set your stop loss up here. This is what Kim says. It says on the sell, set stop loss above buy alert price. The reason why she does that, guys, is to give you room, give the trade room to breathe, right? Like that was one of my issues when I first started trading, is that I was setting my stop losses too small. So it would always wick my stop loss and then turn around and go hit all the TPs. So what she's doing by saying that, she's giving it more room to breathe. So let's see if it actually comes up to the buy alert. Let's see if it actually comes up to the buy alert or not. Right? Let's speed it up, speed it up. Let's see what it does. Oh, back into profit. Right? Let's see. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It would have hit TP1. Right? Now, if you would have been listening to Kim, you would have set your stop loss up here. It would have hit TP1 all the way down to TP2, guys. Literally. This is a better, in my opinion, this is a better break that I would have liked. This is a much better break as opposed to this one. You see how like, I barely broke it. Like that's I don't really like that, right? This is the break that I would have been liking. Got a nice pullback, right? It's a nasty pullback, but look how it still went and hit TP1 all the way down to TP2. Let's see if it goes to TP3. Let's see. Oh, shit. And there we go, family. TP3 in the bag. TP1, 2, and 3. All you had to do is set your stop loss above here. That makes sense to you guys? Let me know if that makes sense. Nice retest. Exactly. Exactly. this was a code. Like if you even wanted to get in on TP1, like you get the break retest for the nice sell. That like this is like textbook. Does that make sense to you guys? Let me know if this makes sense. Bet. Man, I appreciate y'all getting on, man. For real. I just want everybody to win. Goal is to hit all TPs. No, you don't. You can hit TP1 and call it a day, bro. You can hit TP1 and be done. Wash your hands with it. I'm good, right? Or you can close partials and let it run. Move your stop loss to break even, which was here. This is where you got in at. Move your stop loss to break even, which it never even came back to. It got close, so it might have took you out depending on where you set it at. Let's go to the 5 minute. It might have took you out depending on where you set your order at and where you got in at. But if you would have got in like directly here, then it would have never took you out. Well, I don't know though, because USD ZAR, I'm gonna keep it real. USD ZAR, the spread is kind of big, so it might have got you. But you would have already hit TP1, so you're good. But say for instance, you was asleep, you fell asleep and you weren't watching it, and you still had your stop loss like way the hell up here. It would have hit all TPs and you wouldn't have to worry about nothing. Boom, in the bag. Bam, family. That was my session. You know, I don't want to take too much of your time. Like I said, I just wanted to show you how to take her trades. I literally just showed you guys how to take the buy and the sell, right? We took this trade both ways, family. Made money going both ways. That's why, like, whenever you see all the hoorah about her, like, it's real. Like, we're not making this up, guys. Like, this is real life. You know what I'm saying? Like, she really does this. If you guys have more questions, definitely just hit me up, you know, Nate Lindsay or Humble Nate in Telegram, or on Humble Nate on Instagram, but Nate Lindsay on Telegram, and just ask me some more questions. I'm always dropping all the charts in my chat. I usually drop them also in Trade Smart Academy. You know what I'm saying? But if you guys ever want to get on there yourself, it's on Sundays now at 8 p.m. my time. So that's going to be, which is Mountain Standard, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard, which is going to be 9 p.m. Central, 10 p.m. Eastern. I'm pretty sure it's 10 p.m. Eastern. Except it's 8 p.m. Yeah, 10 p.m. Eastern, right? 10 p.m. Eastern, Kim goes live. All you got to have is regular Forex. You don't got to have Gold Cup, no add-ons, nothing like that, guys. And you can get on her session. She's going to put all the trades in there just like this. She's going to put all the trades in there just like this. I appreciate you guys getting on, for real. But she's going to put them all in there like this. It's going to be like a link. And then you just take it and you put it in here, and then boom, you just watch it later. Remember, like I showed you, go in here, set your alerts, right? Set your alert. Use this little plus sign on the side. That's how you set your alerts. Now, remember, guys, I have TradingView Premium. So I'm able to set more than, I think it's like, I have like 10 alerts. On regular TradingView, I think you can only set like 1 or 2, right? So I pay $15 a month for TradingView Premium, but because that's how I know I'm going to make more than $15 with what she's giving me. I paid for the premium because I'm like, I know I'm going to make that back. Like, it's an investment. Just like we pay $175 for the monthly. If you're not building, you pay $175 for the monthly, but you know for a fact you're going to make $175. You know what I mean? It's your investment. Look at it like this way, guys. $175 is your overhead to run your business, right? That's what it costs to run your business. Can you imagine trying to run a business for $175? Do you know how much money it really costs to have payroll and insurance and paying for, you know, the overhead at the facility that you're at, and like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's nothing compared to what we're paying right now. Like, this is a drop in the bucket, guys. So I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate y'all getting on, and definitely gonna have you know, some mad profits coming this next week, guys. Once this presidential stuff is over, you know, we're definitely gonna see some good profits, guys. But other than that, I'm gonna play some music, and y'all go ahead and drop off as you please.
Real shit, man. The G code. All I bang is that crip shit. Trip this. Big Snoop Dogg with my cousin Trick. Put the hammer to your biscuit, to your biscuit. Jam with the jelly, selling grams at the telly. On the celly with the flitna. Kidna. If you really want it, come and get it on the didna. 20 game, 4 life. All my niggas niggas locked down, know I got 'em locked. It's a new game, a new day. We even got homies in Akron and OKC. And I'm the G that go and see 'em. Holla at a nigga on the DM. All I know is to bang the beach. 40 years, nigga, banging the east. And I can't stop and I won't stop. Even though I got a grip, still 20 crib, nigga.